You mentioned si former PNP chief uh, Nicolas Torre. So ngayon general
Yes.
manager po siya ng MMDA. What do you think of his potential for president? Ano lang ano yung preliminary analysis ninyo? Given what he had done sa PNP, paano niya inaresto itong si Kibuloy at saka itong si Duterte, pero with the way he was treated by the administration, but of course he kept quiet, waited until the new appointment came. Pero ako personally tingin ko, bakit MMDA GM? Hindi ba? I mean, all things taken together or considered, what do you think of his chances as a possible presidential candidate of this coalition forces?
Okay, let's assume na mag-shine siya dito sa MMDA. Then eventually, sabihin mo lang in a few months baka ma-promote siya sa isang cabinet position. Hindi natin mapepreclude yung mga ganun. Tapos eventually, kung siya yung gawing admin candidate ng Marcos administration, malaking ano to, maganda chance niya kasi una-una Ilonggo siya. And pinanganak at lumaki siya sa Mindanao. Talagang doon yung base niya. Tapos PNP siya, PNPA graduate at PNPA na ngayon umuno basically sa buong PNP. So the whole machinery, magtutulong yan sila, one of their own. So as an Ilonggo, he speaks the language. So yung Region 6, may edge din siya. MMDA chairman siya ngayon. So Metro Manila, he can start working on that. Kung endorse siya ng Marcos administration, so yung Solid North, makukuha niya. He would have the initial numbers na pwedeng itapat o higitan kaagad itong kay Sara. In terms of yung kanya, personality niya, nakita ko may ano siya meron siyang charisma, may connect siya sa man on the street. Siya. Media savvy. And pag nakita mo lang siya, naglalakad, how he deals with the ordinary people, may connect May nag-gravitate sa kanya And malaking potential yon. I'm not saying na ito na yan, but maganda yung potential. Yon.